There's something. There he is. Nice one.
Look at him, he's big.
That's a nice sit down the house. But Sam and Joyce here. We're in Biloxi, Mississippi again. And we decided to come here because it was such bad weather coming our way. They were having like a winter storm. And what we had like 35, 40 mile an hour winds. And they called for 15 to 17 foot seas in the Gulf up to 20 foot. I don't know. I've never seen that big out there. It must be way offshore. And it was for at least a week. And the East Coast was just as bad. So we decided to come here and do some crabbing. So we'll get back to you when we start pulling the crab traps. Here we couldn't get any chicken necks, so we're using these chicken legs. These look like they're too nice for crab bait, right?
Right, but they need to be put on the grill.
They need to be, yeah. They need to be put
Or
on the
baked
grill.
in the oven for barbecue,
Yeah.
chicken and dumplings.
But they were just probably the same price as chicken necks, I bet. So we just tie them on so don't get loose. No special way. In fact, we haven't done this kind of crabbing, I guess, in 50 years.
50 years.
Except the last, our anniversary we did.
Yes, our anniversary
Yeah,
did.
but since that, yeah, it must have been 50 years.
Probably longer
And
than
actually,
that.
I've never even used these baskets like this, these ring traps. So we just tie this chicken, the neck would be a lot easier to tie in, but this is good enough. This is a lot of fun too. You're not dealing with a boat, trailer, parking a boat, a big trip, nothing. You just pull up here, back up here, and we're crabbing right away. So this is kind of fun. We'll see what we catch. We got a real shallow area here. And right there it drops off. I don't know how deep, but you can't see the trap. Sinking down there. It disappeared. Well, I guess we'll leave them set for about 15 minutes. We got a couple more to rig up, so we'll get them in. Wait a minute. All right, bring it in.
Two crabs. One big one and one little guy.
A big one? Oh, that is a little guy, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. He's cute. He will still hurt you.
Let me get something to measure him with.
Okay.
Look at the little guy.
He's trying to get out. He's almost.
That's a good sign, though.
That's a real good sign.
Yeah, hold on.
Oh my gosh, he's cute.
He's cute, you
He's
say?
cute.
He's a cute crab.
Look at his baby claw.
I'll make him look big. I'll get close to him. What's he, about 2 inches?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think he's legal.
And somehow
You're
he
lucky you're not legal.
He somehow lost his claw. See?
Oh, he's got 2 claws.
He has to be growing one. Look how little the
Oh,
other.
he's lost it already, yeah. Got in a fight. You know how them kids are. All right, let him go. We'll measure this other one. All right, give it a look. See what we got.
There he is.
There, that's a nice one.
That's a beautiful one.
Yeah. They look bigger in the, get him off in the road. He looked larger in the water for some reason.
Yeah, he's nice. He's good.
He's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I'll measure him anyway. The game warden's here, so we'll measure him. Second game warden.
He is, where's his point? Where'd you go? He's 5.5.
Okay, let's see what we got in this one. Hey, here's one. Oh, he's a keeper, huh?
He's a
There you
keeper.
go, let him walk out.
He's a keeper.
There you go. That's good. Got nice claws on him. Let's see. Oh yeah, that big one's well is way over a keeper.
Ooh. He's mean too.
Grab my tape measure.
Got him.
All right. Check this one. See, this is oh, look at the little guy.
Another little one.
Go ahead.
Look,
Yeah.
he's a good.
Very good.
He's a good crab. Get him up! Get him up!
Stay there and can measure you.
You gotta go back because your point's
Yeah,
broke.
his point, he would have been over a keeper. He'd been out to here, but he's 1/8 of an inch short.
Goodbye.
Okay, let's see what you got.
I think there's one.
You think you feel him? Oh, you got one.
Two.
Oh, you got a double header.
Double header.
Okay, set down these. See if they walk out. There he's going to walk out.
He's a keeper.
Yeah, let him walk out. Makes it easier for us.
Yeah. You don't need a tape measure. They're definitely 5.
Mm-hmm.
You know, don't
You
you?
sure that one is? Let me measure him. Look at him. Look.
Hey, you.
He, stop messing with him. He'll walk out and make it easier for us. We won't get caught in that net.
Hello.
Hold this.
Don't lose that one. He's going to get out.
He's not going worse.
I'm pretty sure he's a keeper, but you know, measure him.
He don't look like a keeper to me. You're an outlaw.
That one's a keeper. He's only got one claw. Look out, that claw's going to get you.
Oh, they all got one claw. Huh? Okay.
You going to measure him?
Not this one. Open your box.
Look at all them crabs in there. Lots of them.
Okay, Joyce, bring it in. See what we got. There's something. There he is. Nice one.
Look at him, he's big.
That's a nice. Sit down the asphalt.
Oh, he's a nice. That's mine.
That's yours?
That's mine.
I'll take him away from you. No, that's a nice crab.
He's big. Look at the claws. He's got nice
Yeah,
claws.
yeah. This one didn't lose his claws. Yeah, that's a nice one.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the size of that chicken leg. Like I said, we couldn't get necks here. We got these nice legs. We got them cheap. There's a whole bag of them for less than $5.
$4.37.
Yeah. For what? Close to 5 pounds?
Yeah, I think there was 8 drumsticks in it.
Yeah, they're big. They look like almost like turkey. Well, let's get them. See if I can get them without getting the net caught.
You should. He's only. Yeah, he's good. He's just got to get rid of that part. I don't want to let go. Ouch! He doesn't want to let go.
Let him hang. Yeah, that go?
Hang over the bucket. Ice chest. It'll fall right in there.
We got some ice in there, get them a little lethargic so we can clean
So
them.
they're easier to clean.
Yeah. We're going to clean them and cook them here.
Oh, he's yellow too.
Now he's going to eat the string. Hit that string. That's a nice one. Let's see what you got. Nothing.
Nothing.
Skunk.
Skunk.
Okay, see what you got. This is the last one that we're cooking them up. And oh, look, there's one getting out. There's two getting out. Now you gotta do some more cleaning.
Yeah, I don't care. That's two nice ones.
That's two nice ones.
Mm-hmm.
I tell you, the crabbing. We don't even know what we're doing down here. We're not from here, but there's plenty of crabs here. All right, see what we got. Yeah, the other one, I almost lost that last one.
Oh,
Yeah.
Double header.
Double head, I don't know whether
One's
a keeper.
baby.
That's not
No,
a keeper.
that's
One
neither one of
baby,
them are.
not a keeper. Let them walk away.
Either one.
As they walk towards the water.
Uh-oh.
There he goes. There you go. Okay, you're not a keeper. So take off. You're almost there.
Not as lively. Good. That's chilled. I think it's because I can't get a hold of them right.
Yeah. You're not your element. You're not your sink. We're going to get them cleaned up, take them back to the room. We're going to clean them up and
This
cook
is
them.
called crab tailgating.
Crab tailgating, yeah. Yeah. Now we're going to clean them up and boil them up. We don't have anything to steam them with. We've got brought some pots with us in case we caught some. Then we'll just take them back to the room. That way we won't make a mess in the room. We'll just have like takeout crab, right?
Take out
No
crab.
worse than that.
Oh.
Yeah, like I said.
Get a baked potato at the restaurant.
Yeah,
Take it up to the
to
room.
go. And yeah, we're crab tailgating. Well, we cleaned up the crabs and cooked them up on the back of our truck so we wouldn't make a mess in the room. And we got a baked potato and some string beans to go at the restaurant downstairs. So we're going to have a great meal tonight, it looks like. So we'll probably go, maybe we're going to go back, we'll go back out there tomorrow and see what we can catch. Or we got another spot we might try. So we'll get back here when we're back out crabbing. Well, if you enjoyed this video, we'd appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And check out our next video where we're going to go out and do the same thing all over again and catch some more crabs.